high-temperature resistant power cable, engineered for the world's most demanding industrial environments. In steel mills and rolling facilities, where temperatures routinely exceed 800 degrees Celsius, standard cables fail within hours. Our cables are built to endure. From foundries and casting plants to boiler rooms and heating stations, every installation demands cables that won't compromise under extreme heat. In kilns, drying lines, and glass manufacturing plants, where continuous exposure to temperatures above 1,000 degrees is the norm, reliability is not optional. It is essential. Our multi-layer protection architecture features nickel-plated copper conductors, mica tape fire barriers rated to 800 degrees, and advanced XLPE insulation. Every layer is precision-engineered for maximum thermal endurance. Using standard cables in high-temperature environments is not just a technical oversight. It risks lives, destroys equipment, and exposes organizations to catastrophic financial and legal consequences. Industrial fires cause over $1 billion in losses annually. Don't wait for failure. Choose cables engineered for extreme environments. Solution Mall, your trusted partner in high-temperature cable solutions. Visit www.solutionmall.com.